Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to Notion. This integration allows you to view and track your schedule directly within your Notion workspace, keeping everything organized in one central location. First, open Notion and select your workspace from the left sidebar. Once you're in, navigate to the specific Notion page where you want your Google Calendar to appear. This could be your dashboard, a project page, or any dedicated space you use for planning and scheduling. Now open your Google Calendar in a new browser tab. You'll need to access some settings to make your calendar embeddable. Look for the gear icon in Google Calendar's upper right corner and click it, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the main settings area where you can manage all your calendar configurations. In the left sidebar under Settings for My Calendars, select the specific calendar you want to embed in Notion. This is important because you might have multiple calendars and need to choose the right one. Once selected, scroll down until you find the section labeled Access Permissions for Events. Here, check the box that says Make Available to Public, then confirm by clicking OK. This step makes your calendar accessible for embedding so Notion can pull the data and display it properly. Next, scroll further down to the Integrate Calendar section. You'll see a box labeled Public URL to this calendar. Go ahead and copy the link from this box. This URL is what connects your Google Calendar to Notion. Return to your Notion page. Click on the page where you want the calendar to appear, then type /embed and select Embed from the options that appear. This brings up the embed block where you can paste external content. Paste the calendar URL you just copied into the box and click Embed Link. Wait a few seconds for the calendar to load within Notion. Once it appears, you can resize or move the embedded Google Calendar block to fit your page layout. Simply drag the edges to adjust the size or click and drag the block itself to reposition it wherever you need it. Your Google Calendar is now embedded and fully viewable within Notion, giving you seamless access to your schedule without switching between apps. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.